It's Monday morning and there's a strong chance of rain this afternoon. So I'm going to work on taming this garden. My first priority is to deal with the tomatoes while the plants are dry. They don't have a bunch of dew and stuff today. So I need to harvest, trim them, prune them, weed these beds, and tie up or clip up. I do like using these clips now, the tomatoes. This is what happens when you don't do that in time. One was leaning way over and got snapped as we were walking back and forth with strawberry plants. I will do the same with the tomato plants and other plants out here on my vegetable container garden in the driveway. Well, we're starting to get a sprinkling, and this is how much I've harvested so far. I'm down to the last couple tomato plants. I will come back out and at least get those pruned and harvested. But these are going inside right now. I've heard thunder and it could start raining any minute, but I had to harvest some salad greens to cover us for the next couple days of salads. Also grabbed some broccoli here. The stem was coming off anyway, and a round of butterfly pea blossoms. And here comes the rain.